Now next we will study is the soil profile, means what is the profile of the soil. Now here you can see the topmost layer of the soil is called topsoil, and this topsoil is the layer all our plants grow. You can see the roots of the plants grow in the topsoil. It contains sand, clay, humus, water, air, and it also has all the nutrients and humus which is required for the plants to grow. Now below that, the middle layer is the subsoil. Now this subsoil, it is not rich in humus, but it contains a lot of water. So as you can see, the plants reach up to the roots of the plants reach up to the subsoil also. And the bottom layer is called the parent rock. The bottom layer is called the parent rock. It contains small pieces of rocks, and below the parent rock you can see the bedrock, and this bedrock has large stones, rocks. It lies very deep inside the earth. And soil also contains germs, so when we are handling the soil we need to wash our hands and feet, and nowadays we have to wash our hands very frequently. Okay, so now come to the next topic, that is the soil erosion. Soil erosion means the removal of the fertile topsoil. What is soil erosion? Removal of the fertile topsoil is called the soil erosion, and it is caused by water and wind. Now one of the reason for this soil erosion is deforestation. Deforestation, as you all know, it is the cutting down of trees in large numbers. Why? Because roots of trees hold the soil. All the roots of the trees, they hold the soil together and they do not allow it to wash away. But when trees are cut, the soil becomes bare and loose, and by the heat of the sun and by the action of wind, it blows off. And the other reason is overgrazing. Overgrazing means animals keep up eating the grasslands and they do not allow it to grow back fully. Means when animals go to the grasslands and eat all the grasses and all the small plants and they do not allow it to grow back fully, then again the soil becomes bare and loose and it gets blown away by the wind and water. Next we come to soil conservation. Soil conservation is protecting soil from erosion. Means to stop all these things, the steps which we take is called the soil conservation, to protect our soil. So what is the step? So if deforestation causes soil erosion, then afforestation causes soil conservation. So we should plant many trees, and this planting trees is called afforestation. Basically this prevents the soil erosion. Next step is the terrace farming. As you can see in the picture, this is done basically in hilly areas. The hills are cut into steps like this, and crops are grown here. So if there is a rain, then all the soil does not get washed away. It is blocked by the roots of these crops. Okay, when crops such as paddy and wheat are ripe and farmers cut them, when farmers cut the crops, they let the stalks of the plants, means they let the bottom part of the plant to remain in the soil, because it has root also inside, and that root will hold the soil together and it will not cause soil erosion. And trees and shrubs are planted close to each other around a farmland. Around a farmland, big trees and shrubs are grown together so that the soil does not get washed away. To stop flooding, whenever there is a flood in the rivers, the soil gets washed away. To protect it, we built a wall or a bank. It is called the embankment. Now garbage consisting of plastic, rubber, glass and metals pollutes the land. It harms the quality of the soil. We should not throw these waste materials on land. So this is a very general thing, that we should not pollute our soil. Water, air, anything, we should not pollute it at all, because it harms our nature. And the crops which are grown in the fields, they are different kinds of crops which are grown at different times, and this helps in reducing the loss of nutrients from the soil. So this cycle of crops, like one crop, then other, it also prevents the soil from being washed away. It increases the nutrients of the soil also. So with this we complete the chapter. I hope you all are studying, and stay at home, stay safe. Thank you for watching.